Here's how you can manage hundreds of YouTube comments with ease. Hello TubeBuddies, welcome to Free Feature Friday, where we like to showcase a free TubeBuddy feature. To stay up to date on all of the free TubeBuddy features, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon. YouTube comments can get a bit overwhelming, but we've tried to make them more manageable with our TubeBuddy Comment Filters. Comment Filters are a free tool that you can find on the comments section of the YouTube dashboard. On YouTube, head over to the comments page via the TubeBuddy drop-down menu. And you'll see the TubeBuddy Comment Filters. You'll see that the filters are set by default to show all of your comments and the 20 most recent results. To filter the results differently, click here. You'll see that in order to filter by subscribers and Patreon supporters, you'll need a Legend level license. If you don't have access to them, they'll be displayed like this. However, all other comment filters on this page are free, so if you'd like to get a free TubeBuddy upgrade, click that card on screen and make sure to come back to this video so you can learn how to use comment filters. For example, you can use the comment filters on TubeBuddy Mobile. The filters are labeled clearly in what they do. So for example, we can show you comments that you haven't replied to, comments that have replies which need to be followed up on, comments that contain a question, comments that contain a question that you haven't replied to, comments that contain links or URLs, and comments that contain certain phrases. To add an even extra layer, we've created advanced filtering. Any section that requires a higher level TubeBuddy license will be displayed with this on screen. Advanced filtering allows you to sort by who started the conversation, whether it was you, someone else, or, if you have a Legend license, a Patreon supporter or subscriber. Next, you can choose comments that you haven't replied to, comments you have replied to, comments that no one has replied to, or comments that need a follow-up. Finally, you can choose what types of content the comments contain. Comments that contain questions, profanity, positive or negative sentiment, or even choose a specific word. You can also choose to show how many results you want to see at once. However, the more you choose, the longer this process takes. Once the tool scans the search, you can see how many comments it searched for here. Keeping up with YouTube comments is an important step on growing a community on your YouTube channel. We want to know, how many comments do you get a day on your YouTube channel? Want to stay up to date with all things TubeBuddy? Subscribe now and hit the bell notification icon. I'm Andrew Cam from TubeBuddy and thank you all so much for watching.